Hey, good morning. It is Wednesday, January 17th, and it's a snowy day here in New Jersey. I hope everyone's having a good morning. It's around 9 a.m. Last night was a little interesting. Actually, it wasn't interesting. It was a bit upsetting. Last night I received an email from YouTube that since my channel has below 400,000 watch minutes, that I am no longer eligible, my channel is no longer eligible for monetization. And I feel that is pretty upsetting. I mean, really, honestly, I believe I give very good content. I believe that I have a lot of value and I help a lot of people. And that shouldn't mean that just because I have less than 400,000 minutes in the last 12 months that my YouTube video is not important. My YouTube videos and my YouTube channel are not important enough for monetization. What this does is create sort of a drama with my channel. The reason why I started my channel was because I feel I was very blessed to have this art school education, this education that my parents gave me. The New York City Department of Education had this specialized art school, which was really fantastic. It was something like 6 periods of art a day. I had gotten to speak with some fantastic painters and study with them. Fantastic graphic designers, draftsmen, all different types of immersion into art. From there, I was able to get a scholarship at the National Academy School of Fine Arts and study with people like Harvey Dinnerstein and Ron Scher. It's very exciting for me to have that opportunity to have that education and to develop my talent or even my love for painting and drawing. That's one of the reasons why I started this YouTube channel. I really feel that everyone who has the love for art, for painting, for drawing, and now for airbrush, my newfound love, everyone deserves to have that education regardless of economic status or the ability to get to a class, right? I mean, not everyone can actually get to a class to learn techniques, drawing techniques. So this is something that I feel that I do every week that's important, that I do give that help to spark that love for art. Hey, art saved me. It really did. I mean, when I was in junior high school, I didn't want to go to school. I was out all the time, and my future was very iffy at best. There was this 8th grade draftsman teacher. I believe his name was Mr. Lake. And I remember the project was to do a graph method of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers logo, the old one, you know, with the Buccaneer with the blade through his mouth. And he basically really stoked a fire of my love for drawing. And we did this particular project, and every day I was in school consecutively, he would put Timothy was here 12 days in a row, 14 days in a row. I would miss a lot of school. But since that day, I would say I missed maybe a handful of days in the rest of my education, which I did go to college and went to art school. So it was that love of art that he helped to cultivate and made me the artist I am today. I want to be a teacher like that. I want to be someone who maybe is stuck at home, or maybe somebody who can't afford art lessons and really seem to have given up on their enthusiasm, not just for art but for life. And for me, I have that opportunity here, and that's why I do it. That's why I decided to start this channel. That's why in January of last year I decided to do every week. I think in 2017 I created 67 YouTube videos, all on art instruction. So it's very exciting that this channel is coming to fruition. We have almost 1,200 subscribers, almost 500 views a month. So that makes me feel good. However, right now, I hate to say, but my channel's in jeopardy. Since I cannot monetize my videos, I have no streams of income. We do have something called Patreon. And Patreon is something that's very exciting. It is a service for content creators like myself that allows patrons, subscribers, those who believe in the channel, to give a monthly donation to the channel to help keep these channels afloat. So one of these advantages of this is it's totally secure. You can give as much or as little as you want. You can stop it whenever you want. But it's a way to help me to continue this vision I have, which is not just cheesy art lessons, but really pro art lessons, stuff that you would get in the best art schools. Not something that, you know, oh, let me show you how to do something simple. No, something where if you follow my lessons, you can go as far as you want. So Patreon, I'm going to leave a link below. And Patreon basically is something you can just sign up for and support the channel. Support the dream of everyone being able to afford quality art lessons. Another thing is, I want to continue doing these lessons. I want to continue doing them and doing more, maybe 3 times a week. I also want to get better equipment. I want to continue upgrading my equipment, so this channel isn't less than those other channels out there who aren't giving anything. I'm giving something to my followers, my subscribers, my art community. What I can do for the Patreon subscribers is I can go ahead and give special videos that only you can see as thanks for being a supporter. I can also have live events that are only for my Patreon subscribers. And also, I can do something where I'm going to continue doing the videos for free, regardless of whether you're able to help out. This is only for those who can help out. Regardless of whether you can help out or not, the lessons will continue to be free. But maybe I can do a little longer lessons for my Patreon subscribers. That would be fantastic. Just a way where I can show thanks, and that's important to me. It's important to inspire others, and maybe this is a chance for me to be inspired, that what I'm doing is important, that what I'm doing is something that resonates, that other people believe in. So I'm just going to leave it up to you guys, whether or not you want to help this channel out, can make this channel continue. I'm not really editing this video at all. It's just going to be a straight video I'm going to put up real fast. And thanks again for being part of this community. And if you can help, that would be great. If not, I'm still going to continue doing these videos as long as I can. I still have to support myself. And so let's see if we could together grow this community and create a free art school online with this channel. And that's kind of like my dream. So I hope you have a great rest of the day and take care of yourselves. Bye.